right now, Google Chrome might be stealing your gigabytes of storage space and continuous RAM, and it even asks your permission even, so it does that. First, if you use Google Chrome, there's a hidden local AI model silently running on your computer right now. And today, I'm gonna show you how to hunt it down and kill it for good. Is your browser feeling sluggish lately? Chrome's secrets background AI update might be a culprit. Here is how you guys can disable this in less than 60 seconds. The very first, open up the Chrome, and then you need to click on the three-dot icon and then click on setting. From here you need to click on system, and this is what that you guys need to turn that off. All right, turn this off and you guys are good to go. Now if you guys updated your Chrome, this will always go on mode. If you guys wanted to deep clean or the flag method, you need to go to Chrome flag. Just type your Chrome flags, all right, just like that. Make sure that you guys type it right and enter and search here for model. All right, and you wanted to search for this specific model here, enable optimization guide on device. This is the culprit that you guys really wanted to set this to disable. Once you guys do that, you need to relaunch your Google Chrome. Next here, you need to search prompt, and you will see here two prompts for Gemini Nano model and this one. You need to set this disable and set this disable as well. And you can skip everything other, and you need to relaunch again. You guys are done on Chrome flags as well. Now, even if you do this, whenever you guys update your Chrome, it will turn back everything on. All right. In future, if you don't want to make sure that it is turned on, you need to go to like a registry mode. All right, now you need to open up the reg edit. So search your reg edit. This is what it looked like. Click that and click on yes. It should prompt for you. From here, you need to open up the local HK local machine, then expand this software and search here for Google Chrome. Google Chrome is located on mine on this one here, Google, and there's a Chrome right there. Once you guys are in Chrome folder, you need to right click here, new, and you need to create a new D-word 32-bit value, which is this one. So create that, and you just need to copy paste this text that I'm gonna leave this on the description down below, and you need to set the value. Right click and modify value data. It should be 1, which is this LO, and press on OK. And just like this, that you guys have claimed your storage as well, and unnecessary background tasks has been minimized, and now your Chrome will launch more faster because you're not using any AI, and the future update has been blocked using this registry editor. So yeah, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more tech quick fixes like this. See you guys in the next one.